We warmly welcome Honorable Keach with great joy and heartfelt appreciation. Your arrival marks a significant moment of hope, unity, and renewed purpose for the people you serve. It is truly an honor to witness the beginning of your leadership journey, one that promises vision, integrity, and commitment to meaningful progress. In Ulang County, Barmaj Payam, Ririnyang, the resident demonstrated an overwhelming sense of happiness through a joyous and remarkable welcome. Their enthusiastic reception reflected trust, respect, and a strong belief in your leadership. The smile, cheer, and collective respect shown by the communities clearly express their optimism for a better and more inclusive future under your guidance. Your leadership stands as a symbol of merit, responsibility, and service to all. As you assume this important role, we wish you wisdom, strength, and success in all your endeavor. May your tenure bring unity, development, and lasting positive impact. Welcome, Governor Keach Nguth. Together we look forward to a future built on progress and shared prosperity. Viva SPLMIO, viva Dr. Machar, viva Nathaniel, viva Honorable Keach. Joling Yaname, Honorable Governor Keach Nguth, Jan Charge welcome, Kaulang, Kabarmaj, Kapaya, Barmaj Payam, Rinyang, in a Diale Barar community Kelu, Charge welcome, Chiloina Chatet, Coach Honorable Governor Keach Nguth, the Chubrewit. Keach Nguth, Jan, Akwar, Kia Governor Dung, Greta Apanal, which are Kwanya Kume, SPLAIO, Oyena Tanel, She Kang with the Kwanya Laquer, a la governor. Cha Kang would then charge receive a Nuer community, Kaja SPLAIO supporter, Kaulang. Ilona Chate, the Longano, Chuko County, Kacha community Kalusha Road, a judge, Kobanachuan Kelkaja. Jan Ramon Waka go take a letter on the lalade. Jan Chakurwan Takater to wear Kukumas SPDF. Jan Charo Yaja no best feel I over Janang Niam. Work a Jericho Langelic mission ba Canadian Condela Dinas SPDF, Bakadil Wood Karaya Panal Kelo. Kang with the Jan Governor in Jadit and Chakwan, Kachala let, Kachalo Rotama. Have more update, cut the tea, Gorno Jen will subscribe. Go chit the Alcona Bay, Chicabilla mist, Pecan Chamala Shukuji.